Hello everyone. In this video, we will see an exercise on QlikView. The objective of this particular exercise is how to create a straight table in QlikView. As I have loaded a data named as Office City Sales, we have seen that 829 is being loaded. Right click in this particular QlikView document or this canvas. Go to the new sheet object. Go to this particular chart option. Then click on this particular table named as straight table. Click it on. You can give the title to this particular table or to the window. Click next. Then we have to add the dimensions. So I'll add the dimensions. State. Add it. Now I'll add it as territory. Click on add. Select the office citizens option from the tables. Click on next. Now it will redirect us to the expression window. So we have to select an expression. Before that we have to select the aggregation. Sum we want of office city sales. Then office sales. Paste it. So it is going to appear over here. Sum of office sales. Okay. Then if you want to add, you can add another expression over here. But as in now, I will keep as it is, simple. Click on next. So we can choose the column priority also. If you don't allow interactive sorting, you can untick this. So I'll keep it as it is. Click next. 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 You can go on clicking on next, and at the last you can click on finish. Now at the last you can have name or you can give caption. You can give a title. So I will not give a title. I will keep as it is. Be default. Click on finish. So this is the straight table which is being created. So you can see over here. So this is nothing but the sum of office sales. This is the state. As I want the priority as state, so it is being at the first column. Then second territory and this expression as sum of office sales. And by default the name is given as sum of office sales. So in this way we can create a straight table. So if you want to sort the data, we can sort it from alphabetical manner or ascending order. So you can click over here. From this point we can sort it. This is the point. Yes. So it is now being sorted. So I hope you have understood how to create a straight table in QlikView. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.